Yeah, y'all see me. Y'all see me. We right back with another video. Let's get it. We right back outside. We're gonna have a little bit of fun. I got a couple of guns out here. We're rocking with the HK USC 45, the FN 509, the Glock 43x, and the newest of the bunch, my LWRC SMG45 with a AMG Huey on there. We got a couple of targets out here. We got some steel targets. We got some bottles. Y'all see the scenery. We're gonna have some fun. So check this out. Let's get to it. Let's do a little shooting, and let's see how I like these and how you guys like these, at least behind the camera. Glock 43x, as you can see, no modifications. It is not the MOS either, just straight up Glock 43x. So let's see what I could do. Alright, I missed most of those. Glock 43x. I need some practice. Not bad at all. I got a little sloppy on a couple of those. Let's run another mag through it real quick. All right, y'all, we're done with the baby stuff. Shit, done with it. Let's see what she does. Man, this thing's smooth though. It is smooth. It's a 45. Let me finish this mag. I think I only got like 1 or 2 shots. One. So bolt does lock to the rear. It's so smooth. It has a 45 coming out of a 16-inch barrel. This is a rifle. I want to send this off and do the UMP conversion. One more mag through the USC 45. Let's get it. Good old HK slap. Yes, sir. So smooth, man. So smooth. All right, y'all, 509. I only got 10 rounds loaded up in here right now. We're gonna run them out, and then we're gonna go to the SMG45, what I've been waiting for. I hope y'all been waiting, because it's about to be nice. So let's run these out. Let's see how I shoot. Man, that was 10. Little anticipation of recoil. I seen myself dipping a bit. You guys might have seen it. But hey, let's get the 45 out. Let's go. LWRC SMG45. You see it. This thing is beautiful. I have a Vortex AMG Huey on here. These targets are a little close, but let's just see what it does. Let's just see what it does. Watch out. Watch out. Oh, man.
That was nice.
Man, this thing is nice. Smooth, comfy. How many I got left? 1? What you want?
That bottle to the right.
The one on the bottom?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 left. All right, I racked it out. Here, we're going to put it back.
Far right.
Far right? What? The target?
Yep. Yes, sir.
What you mean?
Yes, sir.
Clear, clear. All right. Oh, my. Let me get another mag. That was too fun.
Yes, sir. Guys, too.
SMG 45. Too fun, too smooth. We gotta run a couple more rounds out of it. We have to. So I'm gonna go ping, 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 ping. Just watch. Woo, I missed. Let's go. Oh my gosh, this thing is so smooth. Oh man. Oh, look through this optic. Can y'all see through that? Can you see through that?
There we go.
Y'all see that? Oh my gosh. Where that? Where? Yes, sir. That thing go like this. Come on. That thing is fucking nice.
Don't play no games.
Is it worth $3,000? Yes. You're damn right. Man. All right, y'all. We shot the 43x. We shot the 509. We shot the SMG. We shot the USC 45. That's all we're shooting today, man. We did a little bit. Like I said, it was just a fun day, a range day. We'll do a more in-depth review of these, the Huey, all that. But I just wanted to have some fun today. But last but not least, y'all already know, go subscribe, man. Y'all keep playing with me. I ain't playing with y'all. Go subscribe, man. You heard me? Like the video, comment on the video, and go subscribe.